Do you hear this music? It's kind of neat, isn't it? This is the Skater's Waltz by Emil Waldteufel. This is the piece that we're looking at, and it was written by Emil Waldteufel. He was born in 1837 to 1915, and he was a French composer. And although this is arranged for piano, you can hear in the background that the music was originally written for an orchestra. It's a wonderful piece of music, and I strongly suggest that you go and listen to it. That melody should be coming soon. Here it is. The arrangement changes it. Oh, repeats it again. She's so trying to make it easier here. But you could change it if you want. Oh, here we come. Oh, that's a flute. Good to remember. Oh, I like it with the flute. Did they slow down? Nope. Back again. They didn't go an octave higher, but the arrangement does. Different key, because it's going elsewhere in the original. Oh, it comes back to the melody. So I'm going to leave that to you to go and listen to, because I think it's so, so wonderful to listen to and follow your score when you do so. But let's now look at the music itself and get yourself ready to play it. All right, so here we have a waltz chord pattern. Okay, let's talk about that waltz chord pattern. Basically, I'm taking my chords with the 1 chord, the 5, 7, and the 1 chord, and I'm turning it into a pattern, a waltz sounding pattern. That's usually bass 2, 3. I've broken the chord, but I did it in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, or do-da-dee, do-da-dee, do. I would practice that before playing this piece. Notice, by the way, sometimes we use the 5-7 chord with the re. And you want to go through that music and look for that. For instance, here it is. And notice the 4 to help you to remember, but you can see it is a re there. I'm looking up. There's one with the T. So I have to be conscious. I have to remember that those things are important. All right, on the other hand, I don't see that waltz pattern, so I don't have to worry about it there. Okay, I have to, gliding along. Of course, it's a skater's waltz. Of course, it's going to glide. So would you want to be legato or would you want to be staccato? I think I'd rather be legato or smooth. Oh, I get that. Mi, so, la, la. Why did I hold that note so long? Did you see the tie? And so this is held for la. Boy, that is a long time to hold. Let's continue. Fa, la, ti, di. Re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do. I'll give you a clue here. Use your scale fingering. And guess what? That's the same chord that we were talking about that ended down by the bay, with the do on top, the C, treble C, and a 6th below it. Do you remember this little I here? Fermata, to hold it. How long? it's up to your artistic sensibility. How long is, not too much, but not too long. Same here. Bum, bum, da, and it goes on. So, do, la, do, so, do, la, do, so, do, la, do. Boy, that's a real vocal thing to worry about. But notice the fingering is going to help you here. So, dee, dee, so, dee, dee. Oh, no. So, re, la, re, so, re, la. Now, when I'm working on things like this at the piano, first, I'm just going to play the moving notes. So, la, so, la, so, la, so, dee, dee, so, dee, dee. So, la, so, la, so, la, so, do, do, so, do, do. So, la, so, la, so, la, so, dee, dee, so, dee, dee. Me, 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 la, so, and I repeat it. So between the notes that I sang is a repeating note, and we use rotation when we do that. We rotate from note to note, and it's really nice for the hand. Okay, we talked about the waltz chord pattern. Watch out for the change here. We have a legato here. Oh, we have a pedal marking. Great. A chord that's held. Rest 5-7, top of the 5-7. Nothing you haven't seen. Look, there's sharp sign on a sharp sign. Yeah. And then, okay, here we go. Notice my hand hasn't moved. It says prepare, move your hand to reach the 5 and the D. And here comes that scale pattern. Oh, look at that. Not quite scale pattern because I'm bringing my 4 over. Why? Look at that. My thumb can reach. So what if I had done with the 3? Uh-oh. I'm out of fingers. I could still do it, but I have to be crafty. Pedal down. Lightly, play lightly. Play lightly, play lightly. Play lightly, little louder. Da 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 dum. Listen to that sound. Da 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 da. Repeat. Octave higher. I'm playing very gently. Slowing down, and I'm back to. Right hand, get ready to prepare over. 4 comes over. And we're almost at the end. Here's the end. Now, besides the fact that it sounds like it's ended, it also tells me, fine. Now, how did I get there? D'ici al fin, di capo, to the head, until we get to the word fine, meaning go back to the beginning and play until fine. I think you could have a good skating time with this piece, so start learning it today.